Just to talk about a few family members that I have are rumored to be related to. It's rumored that I'm related to the Wright brothers, which I'm not from, which I know who they are, but don't know how 100% true or accurate it is. But I'm also related to a guy named Jimmy Smith, who was supposed to be, he was supposed to be he owned his own business, and he was also my grandmother's brother, and he was supposed to have made all his money doing commercials or being like they keep casting people in commercials. That's how he made his money. At least that's what I've been told. Now, when it comes to the Wright brothers, they had a distant family member that they were related to, and the family member had the last name Tinsley. Now, my mother's maiden name is Tinsley, so it's a possibility that we could be related to the Wright brothers. But since I've never done genealogy search, I don't know exactly how far back it would go. Now, I don't know, but the Wright brothers were had an ongoing feud at one time with this guy, and all three of them were arguing over, and the two Wright brothers and this one guy were arguing over who came up with the idea to invent the airplane and all this other shit. So that feud lasted forever, and they're saying, were the Wright brothers the guys that came up with the idea? Was it this other guy that basically hated the Wright brothers and all that stuff? Did so, and of course I haven't got a chance to watch the documentary, but they made a documentary about it. But I said eventually when I get to the point, I have to find out exactly. I can't remember the guy's name offhand who basically hated the Wright brothers, but it's saved in my documentary thing, so I'll get to that when I get to it. But it's gonna take me a while because I got over 3,000 documentaries saved, so it's gonna take me a while trying to find all that. So yeah, that would work. There.